The number one reason homeowners do not buy solar from me: price. However, the question is, are they getting the same result as to what I proposed? Quite often, the belief is they think they are getting the same result for a lower cost point, yet the truth is usually far, far different. Last week, I went and saw some clients of mine, Bruce and Michelle, to look at battery options. On the way to their place, I passed a property I quoted just less than 12 months earlier who built through the same builder as Bruce and Michelle. When I drove past, I was absolutely shocked. There is no way they would have done that. See, I remember this property vividly, as the western roof aspect has a no-go due to a massive gum tree on the footpath shading the property in the afternoon. I had to stop and get some photos. I could not believe the solar installers did what they did. I found just from passing by 5 issues that is going to be costing this homeowner potential thousands of dollars. 1, the panels on the western roof are not only going to have a massive drop in performance due to the shading and leaf litter, this will also more than likely be in breach of the solar manufacturer's installer guidelines due to constant levels of shading. 2, the panels to be installed on the western roof, they've had to be worked around the range hood flue, and the panels are not only misaligned, they are also installed above the ridge cap of the roof line. 3, the panels on the north roof have excess solar rail hanging out that is unsightly. Fits in well with the overhanging panels. 4, there is non-UV rated conduit running over the roof between the north and western panels, placing the east and west panels on the same string, lowering production of these panels. 5, this house is around 12 months old since the construction has been completed, and there is visible signs of soiling on the panels already. It is usually solar panel manufacturers' requirements that panels are clear from soiling and cleaned regularly to maintain warranty support. With this system being DC voltage and with the amount of leaf litter on the roof, any component failure leading to a DC arc fault would be a massive fire risk. This setup will struggle in production due to how it's configured, and the shading impacts costing the owner in potential revenue. The system should also be maintained at further cost each 6 months due to the amount of soiling and leaf litter. I'd be surprised if this system lasts even 5 years. Lower cost will always equal compromise. Are you aware on what you are compromising for what looks like a lower cost? If you need help with solar or battery storage, hit me up in my DMs.